want the luxury of a home on wheels without sacrificing drivability. The Entegra Vision has been a favorite for families and couples alike, and the 2026 model year continues this tradition by refining its style, technology, and usability to meet the expectations of today's RV enthusiasts. When you first walk up to the exterior, you can see how Entegra continues to impress with a sleek, aerodynamic front cap, bold paint schemes, and integrated LED lighting that give it a premium look. The Vision is built on the reliable Ford F-53 chassis, equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 engine that provides both power and smooth handling, giving drivers confidence whether cruising on highways or navigating winding country roads. The large panoramic windshield delivers stunning views and increases driver visibility, making long trips safer and more enjoyable. Step inside and you immediately feel the warmth of residential-inspired design. The 2026 Entegra Vision showcases updated interior color palettes with rich wood cabinetry, modern flooring, and high-end furniture that make it feel more like a home than an RV. Seating areas are plush and supportive, often with theater-style recliners and convertible sofas that double as sleeping areas. The main living space is bright, thanks to large windows and LED ceiling lighting that create an inviting atmosphere for relaxation or entertainment. The kitchen is designed for those who love to cook, featuring solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, a spacious refrigerator, and plenty of storage for all your essentials. Many models even include a pantry and upgraded cooking options, making it easy to prepare meals just as you would at home. Moving towards the bedroom, the Entegra Vision offers a peaceful retreat with a queen or optional king-size bed, premium mattress, and generous wardrobe storage. USB ports and power outlets are thoughtfully placed for convenience, while overhead cabinetry provides additional room for personal belongings. The bathroom is well appointed with a residential-style shower, modern vanity, and quality fixtures, ensuring you never have to compromise on comfort even while traveling on the road. Entegra has also placed an emphasis on technology in the 2026 Vision, with integrated smart controls that allow you to manage lighting, climate, and slide-outs at the touch of a button. Entertainment is top-notch, featuring large LED TVs, sound systems, and options for satellite or streaming, perfect for family movie nights or catching up on your favorite shows. Outside, the Vision comes with power awnings, exterior storage compartments, and often an exterior entertainment center complete with a TV and speakers, so the fun doesn't stop indoors. Built with attention to durability and insulation, this motorhome is designed to handle a wide range of climates, keeping you comfortable in both summer heat and cooler seasons. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures or weekend getaways, the 2026 Entegra Vision delivers a balance of luxury, practicality, and affordability that makes it one of the standout choices in its class. It's a motorhome that doesn't just get you from place to place, it transforms the journey itself into an